Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, this line. Okay, C4 might be something to work with as a target. Let me go to A5 here, or B6. Maybe A5 for trying to get some more dark square weaknesses. Actually is interesting. Although D6 seems very vulnerable here. I get the queen out of trouble, or Queen E7. Try to. So again, Bishop A5 looks as though it's got some interesting points to it. Aha, he's giving me E5. Should I welcome that? I don't want to give him a massive knight. That's surely I'm looking at now. He takes. I don't think so. So I want to play Bishop A5. Right. If I take, it's not doing anything. The position, I assume. Tank, E5. 97 for a moment. Taking on 95. Can I play B5? I mean, this might actually be interesting if I wasn't getting mated or something. Maybe takes an F6 or taking on C3 just to play taking in an F6. Yeah, I don't want to have this knight coming to D5 in a hurry, so I'll play it like this, I think, with B5. I'm not. I've got to make sure F6 is not working. I think I'll wait for him to take Rook F1 for F6. Trying to get some counterplay on the queen side here. Am I giving him a big pass pawn now? Maybe I should have played F6. I didn't see that one. That's a horrible one. Okay. So he's got a big pass pawn. All of a sudden, play this. C takes, queen takes. Queen takes, if bishop f6, rook f6. That would seem as though it might be possible to play queen takes d6. Or indeed knight takes d6, well as bishop c5. in that position, it's now rook d8. So is this possible or not? Rook d8. Let's hope it is. Because there's a pin on c3 in that position. I'm hoping that's possible. So bishop c5, well, I'm hitting the rook. Bishop c5, rook d8. Alright, in which case, I should be okay here now, surely. Contest this file. Or not. Hold my 7th. Or not. He's going to make me with check and rook f8. Okay, 95 holds d7 for a moment. Okay, there's a virtual mating net. Oh my god. What about a5 here? Is that possible? Because rook's I'm getting that mating net again. King f7. Will I try and hold the b pawn? Because otherwise rook b6. So king f7, rook b7. I have to be very careful here. Oh crikey. Hold the 7th. Now surely this, okay, rook f8 again. g5, is that a move? Just to get my king some air. So I've got king g7 now until they get mated with rook f8. Alright, I get my rook to the 7th for an off. With rook d2. Knight f3. First I'll... Alright, it's dangerous. Okay, I need to seal a mating net around his king, otherwise I'm going to lose. Okay, so h4, rook d2 first. There's a check here. King h6. So isn't that dangerous for h4? I think it might be if I play rook d2. The minute h.
Check.
There's bishop h6 mating there. Can my king come out of this?
Check.
Let's go with a pawn as g3 check.
Check. Check. Check. Check.
That check's not really working, unfortunately. So I'm not running out of time here.
Check. Time warning.
Well, there's g2 though. 18 seconds. What can I do for pre-moves? Am I queening? Am I running out of time?
Check. Check. Check.
7
Check.
seconds. 5.
check, 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 check.
No, I don't know. The pre-move delay is a killer. It's not 0 seconds, and I don't know. For me, it seems to be more than what it's supposed to be, 0.01. It's. I'll do this on the side. If it depends how quick the pre-moves can be sent. Oh dear. It's a draw. It's a draw anyway. I didn't lose at least, but it was getting close to lose. I mean, I thought the bishop was a bit hopeless intuitively, but it wasn't. It seems in practice all sorts of mating nets there. This was, yeah, c5 is a good move, so maybe I should have battened down the hatch here. I didn't realise the knight was unstable, that unstable for c5. Well, c5 is like for mate. Unfortunately, yeah, but again, so this is the one which, here, I'll just play, oh, it's even 94. I thought I was okay on the defensive. Engine likes white, in fact.
Check, check, check.
Try and get some.
Check, check, check.
It's a shame I was queening there then.
Check.
And I don't know. It's just.
Check, check, check.
I 5 seconds. I mean, I can. Yeah, it depends how quick the pre-moves on a particular server are. But all right. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.